I'm going to show you in this tutorial how you can mirror an image on Canva. So I'm going to search for image here. I'm going to write dog because dogs are the best. And I'm going to look for a dog. So I'll use this one. So now I like to mirror this dog. So what I can do, I'll press Option, hold Option and drag. Now I create a copy. If I want to mirror this dog, this image, I'll like to mirror this one. So I can go to flip and then here I can flip horizontal and then flip vertical if I want to. I'll just flip horizontal and then I'll press Command J to create a copy, to group this together, sorry, not to create a copy, to group this together. You can also right click and select group, but now we have just the option to ungroup, or you can use the shortcut Shift Command C, right? Okay, it's recording. um, so now if you want to ungroup, but we just grouped, you can use Command G to group. You can also right click on that, select multiple images, and then right click and group. We have one image here. Now I'm just gonna add another one. Now I have this image here. I'm gonna move this image here really nicely. Press hold option and drag, and now I'll go here to flip and flip horizontal. There we go. Highlight, right click. Now I'm going to use the manual way and I'm going to select group. Now here we have another image here that we just grouped. Hold option and drag this one, option and drag, flip, yes. Now if you want, you can add some lines, increase the weight, move. Okay, I'll position this right here. Change the color to white. Hold option drag. Rotate. Okay, perfect.